Anything above 75, 80 miles an hour, you're no longer in charge of your own personal destiny.
No, not at all. And that's
People
why we
need to understand.
Yeah, they need to understand that, and they say, I'll ride it out, I'll wait it out. And you know what? Just make sure that you remain safe. And
the rainfall totals alone.
Yeah, and heed the warnings, because you get a little bit of that, maybe your roof lifting up a bit, and then it could be gone and those walls come down. So definitely this is a storm that we need to watch as we're looking at Hurricane Harvey, possibly a major hurricane that will make landfall. I'll have that track coming up. But we're also talking about some flooding rains here in North Texas this afternoon. This is not associated with Harvey, but we do have the tropical moisture in place. So we're seeing some pockets of some heavier rain. Isolated storms near Boyd right now, making their way from the southeast off to the north and northwest along an outflow boundary, widening out the view a bit. North sides of Parker County, the same story. You can see also pushing back into parts of Palo Pinto County. We do have an aerial flood advisory for the west sides of Tarrant County until about 7 o'clock, because in some localized spots we saw 1.5 inches to almost 2 inches of rain over about maybe an hour to an hour and a half. Widening out the view, isolated showers southeast sides of Freestone County, also a little bit down through parts of Bosque County, starting to taper off. That's why I'm not going to take out rain chances going into the evening hours. Today, officially at DFW, we made it up to 90 degrees. Other locations only in the mid-80s. Right now, we're still sitting in the mid-80s. We do have some rain-cooled air in Keller right now at 75. It is 85 right now in Little Elm. The wide view shows 86 in Tyler to about 82 in Bridgeport, 90 still in Hillsboro. So into the evening hours, as I talked about, rain chances sitting at 30%. Our temperatures eventually cooling down to the mid-70s by midnight. Tomorrow, you wake up to about 73 to 74 degrees. By 7, we're at 75, on our way up to 87 with rain chances only at 20% in the afternoon. And you see that on our future sky forecast. A couple of isolated showers will pop up in the afternoon hours. But then going into Saturday, you see the pictures kind of tilting down a bit. That's where the heavier rain will start to fall as Hurricane Harvey works inland. Taking a look right now, the center of circulation out over the Gulf waters, very warm water to work with. You can see the purple color indicating the tropical storm warnings, including Galveston all the way down to Brownsville. But this red color indicating hurricane warnings, because the path is going to be making its way closer towards Corpus Christi and Rockport. Right now, that center of circulation 305 miles southeast of Corpus Christi, moving north-northwest at 10. Still looks like the latest forecast, a major hurricane by late Friday into Saturday. Still a Category 2 hurricane with sustained winds of 100 miles per hour, then backing up as a tropical storm along the coastline as a tropical storm into Monday and Tuesday. So the wind gusts gusting up to near 85, 90 miles per hour or higher as Harvey pushes inland. The storm surge possibly up to 6 to 12 feet. What we've been talking about, maybe some areas slightly higher than that, but the big story, Kaylee mentioned this, the flooding rains. Possibly 25 to 30 inches in some localized spots. And as Harvey then hugs the coastline, Louisiana also possibly 10 to maybe 15 inches in some spots right now. New Orleans looking like just 4 inches. The impacts here in North Texas, not very high. We'll still see rain chances only at 30% going into next week. Right now, I don't have rain. That may change if Harvey's path changes.
Scott Padgett, thanks.